Hello guys, I'm Halin tutorial to tell you in this tutorial is basically if your USB or pen drive is not showing in your desktop or laptops, how do you make it functional? Because we are unable to suppose here see one USB pen drive. If I insert here and if I go in the my computer, it's not showing here. So how it make it functional? See, I have exited and once again if I insert this pen drive, but it's not showing here. How do you find out? How do you make it functional of this pen drive? Yes, very easy. By a smart trick we will have to handle it. So for it guys, we will have to especially have one software. So I would like to show you how. Just this is a one tool that is a total capacity is approximately 1 MB, less than 1 MB. You can have this on any official website. Just go for yes. So now see it has been opened and it's showing here that EFI disk is a 16 GB SanDisk. So it's showing, but we are unable to especially find out on where. Yeah, see guys, we are unable to find out on my computer. So now just we will go for here to have one ISO image file. So let me have suppose here this file. Yeah, this is iOS. We will have to by a similar strategy we will have to execute here and then we'll be able to. So just we will go for a start and it will destroy the everything of this, and let's see here it will be visible. Just quickly it's deleting the all there especially. Now quickly now see it's it has started to partitioning, show ZPT. So just formatting. Now see this pen drive has been especially created. Now here what we have to do, just it's creating. Fine. Now here we will go for cancel it, and thereupon of course we will go for close it, and now we will make it format. Yes, we will go for it. Now of course we will have to wait here, and thereupon we will check it out. See what's now. See guys here. Yes, it's done smartly. Now total capacity of this pen drive is approximately 16 GB and space is coming 14.5 something is that. So how now it's make it functional totally. See, if I insert once again this pen drive, now it will be visible and we can export import all the data. Yes, now see, if you would like to delete these ones also this can be. Now see, you can go for delete this UEFI. Now it has been also completed. Now both, if you would like to have the complete format, then we will have to select the here, that is a default to this both by one you will have to clear, and here is default allocation size you can have especially in the one, and we will go for deselect this one and then we will go for, so this space also will be a merge here and this will be one approximately, that will be approximately 15 GB total capacity of pen drive. Now it's a fully functional this pen drive. So by a similar strategy of course you can have the make it, you can make it the functional of any USB pen drive. This is all about in this video tutorial. This tool link of course I will give you below the description box, and with the one clicks you can have it from the description box. If you found this is informative and acknowledgeable, then please point a like, subscribe and share this content, because This is things that will inspire me a lot to the make such as informative video tutorial on these channels, and by free of course anyone who is highly interested to have this kind of the special information they can access easily from these channels. Thank you for watching Technology Welfare. Have a great time. Bye bye.